Do you ever feel like your goals are too big to tackle? What if I told you there's a way to start super small? Let's talk about tiny habits. Tiny habits are small actions that are so easy, you can't say no to them. Like flossing just one tooth, or doing just one push-up, or writing just one sentence in a journal. Here's the science. Tiny habits rewire your brain. Every time you do a tiny habit, your brain gets stronger. Over time, these tiny actions become automatic. Here's the formula. After I brush my teeth, I will floss one tooth. After I sit down for dinner, I will say one thing I'm grateful for. After I wake up, I will drink one glass of water. Start with one push-up, and before you know it, you're doing a full workout. Write one sentence a day, and you could write a book by the end of the year. Save $1 a day, and you'll have $365 by the end of the year. Of course, starting tiny habits isn't always easy. Challenge 1. Forgetting. Set a reminder or use the tiny habits formula. Challenge 2. Losing motivation. Celebrate every tiny success to stay motivated. Challenge 3. Scaling up too fast. Once your tiny habit feels easy, you can slowly make it bigger. Small steps lead to big results. What tiny habit will you start today? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stick figure explanations.